Owners of about 500 old buildings in Singapore who may encounter practical difficulties in upgrading their fire safety measures under new laws can approach the Singapore Civil Defence Force to explore options. It comes as amendments to the Fire Safety Act were passed today. And here's June Low with the details.
Ling Kwang Home for Senior Citizens is one of the buildings that needs a fire safety upgrade. The nursing home is compliant with the fire code of the 1980s, but it does not have at least 2 areas of refuge on each floor to facilitate fire evacuation. And that's a requirement for the home under the latest fire code. While MPs welcome the move to enhance fire safety among older buildings, some also raised concerns.
The stricter requirements will increase construction schedules, and the cost will affect both the building owners and tenants. As fire safety experts, SCDF is best positioned and must take a practical approach to work with building owners to comply with the safety standards while managing costs.
The Home Affairs Ministry said that SCDF carefully studies the fire safety upgrades required. When identifying which buildings must comply with the latest code, it decides based on factors such as the building age and the profile of the occupants. Another change, the SCDF will now be able to take action against any party in the fire safety products supply chain under the Fire Safety Act, and that includes suppliers and contractors, not just building owners.
The parties involved in the supply chain for fire safety products include A. Manufacturers and suppliers. B. Laboratories that test the fire safety performance of the products, certification bodies and installers of these products. These supply chain actors all have a part to play in making sure that only products and materials that meet SCDF's prescribed standards are used for our buildings. However, under the current Fire Safety Act, SCDF can only take limited enforcement actions against some of the parties.
Some MPs also ask if HDB homes can be retrofitted with smoke detectors. To this, Ms. Sun said there is already a scheme in place for some public rental flats and that agencies involved will see if there is a need to expand it.